Hello everyone, I'm Aman Rashid and welcome to Gadgets 360. Xiaomi in March announced the Mi 10 for the international markets and now the smartphone is being launched in India. Some of the highlighting features include the Snapdragon 865 chipset, 5G connectivity and 8K video recording. Let's now take our first look at the Xiaomi Mi 10. But first, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so you know when we post a new video. The Xiaomi Mi 10 features a 6.67-inch curved edge AMOLED display with a 20-megapixel hole-punch selfie camera. The display has a 90Hz refresh rate and a 180Hz touch sampling rate, which means that you should be able to enjoy super smooth content, be it video or gaming. The Mi 10 is powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 865 SoC and supports 5G connectivity. You get 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which is coupled with either 128GB or 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage. By the way, do you think 8GB RAM will be enough on a phone like this, or should Xiaomi have released a 12GB RAM variant in India as well? Write to me in the comment section down below. Moving on, you get a 4780 mAh battery and support for 30-watt turbo charging. You'll also be able to fast charge the Mi 10 wirelessly at 30 watt using the company's wireless charger. In addition to this, the phone supports 10 watt reverse wireless charging as well. A few other interesting features are the equally balanced stereo speakers and multiple layers of heat dissipation. Xiaomi has also used Google's stock apps rather than its own and says that MIUI will not show any promoted content or advertisements on this device. Let's jump to the cameras now. The specifications are on your screen right now. The Mi 10 features a quad camera setup at the back with the primary shooter being a 108 megapixel unit. And it is not just a megapixel count, but the sensor itself is pretty large. Thanks to the camera and processor, you get a bunch of modes to play with, such as portrait video and color focused video. One of the main features of this camera has to be 8K video recording, and we'll reserve our judgment about video quality for our review. Lastly, the Mi 10 will be offered in two color variants, Coral Green and Twilight Grey. So what are your thoughts about the Xiaomi Mi 10? Do you think the smartphone justifies Xiaomi's re-entry in India's premium smartphone space? Let us know in the comment section down below. Also, if you've made it this far in the video, then a like would be much appreciated. It's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.